Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the performance for this system with 8600G APU from AMD running at 8000 memory and 2000 FCLK and 2000 UCLK. Tuning of the timings has been done. The memory is running at 1.42 VDD and 131 VDDQ, so it's slightly undervolt compared to the stock settings for this memory. Which is also running at 7600 actually, so this is also overclocked. The machine has been tuned with a lot of PBO work, like every single core has been tuned to the maximum, to the lowest possible offset, and the GPU has a plus 200 offset, positive offset on the frequency, and no undervolting, because any undervolting on the GPU results in some green lightnings on the screen. This game is very well optimized, so I can actually run at medium with this system at an acceptable 50 FPS, which is nice to see in this kind of game. Like I would say for a third person game it's acceptable. Now I'm terrible at this game, so I've already died a lot. I don't know what I'm doing. Basically I'm just showing the game for you to see how it performs. So I'm gonna try to figure out what this is, and then now the system is running off the stock cooler for this IPU and on a B650M-H motherboard, but I've installed the B650M HDV firmware that allows me to properly do the curve offset tuning per core, while the lower motherboard that I actually have doesn't have that menu available. So the game looks great, the soundtrack is amazing, and yeah, it's really exciting to see something that is so well optimized and well designed as well, which is also very important for any kind of game. Like, you want to have an experience that gives you an artistic vision. Okay, so the face of the character is not really that great, but okay. So check out your map. I have no idea what I'm doing. I have no weapon. No ammunition for my weapon. I'm gonna die in the wild, just to show you how good this game looks at medium settings. So the FPS is around 57. Someone's shooting at me. Wow. Everything looks great here. I decided to even leave the visual effects like motion blur on, as this is not like a fast-paced shooter where I need to see clearly everything, and the cinematic experience is more important. So as you can see, yeah, the graphics looks dope. I have no idea what I'm doing, but it looks damn good. I might probably, I'm around 65 FPS now. I might probably turn the textures up, but I'm not sure it's gonna apply immediately. Yeah, it seems like. So yeah, we're now at high textures. No ammunition, no ammo. No ammo. No ammo. No ammo. I don't know where I'm going. But I'm going anyway because it looks good. Well, I don't think you really need more than this to give you an idea of the game. Well, I'm gonna show you some numbers for yeah, something's happening there. Hardware info. So, oh, I peaked at 82 degrees, which didn't happen while I was playing Battlefield. That's interesting. But it's still 87 watts, so I guess that's just. I've played 1 hour of Battlefield 6 Red Stack before recording this video. So everything looks good. 82 degrees is not like really concerning. It's just that the limit for the system is set to 85 by default. I didn't change it. I like 85 as a good, good, safe value for long-term maintenance of the system. So yeah, it's really efficient. We are pulling maybe 100 watts from the wall. If I had to guess, the memory doesn't really pull anything. I'm running off a 550 Platinum PSU, and this system is just so efficient. I really wish that Valve went with an APU for the new Steam machine, but apparently they had some leftover 7600M cores to get rid of. So that's what they went for, which results in lower cost for the whole platform, but also a lot higher power consumption, and really the flexibility of having integrated memory is something that is really nice in my opinion, because like again, textures are the most important things for visuals. Okay, so this thing is gonna kill me probably. Yeah, that's what it's trying to do. I'm gonna die. I'm not here. I'm not here. I'm not here. I'm not here. Okay, I'm here. I'm dead. I'm so dead. Well, I will leave you with this very sad moment. This game is great. Ciao!